HPMJF 3D printing technology uses nylon powder dedicated to HPMJF printer, commonly used PA11, PA12, PA12GB, etc. Nylon is a material with very high strength, also has good heat resistance. It is a thermoplastic engineering plastic with excellent overall physical properties. It can not only be used for prototype verification, but also be used as the end-use product. It is very suitable for small batch production. It should be noted that nylon is a permeable material, so it will absorb fine dust in the air. Please note that the surface will turn yellow after being exposed to the sun for a long time. Its appearance effect is, the surface of the finished product is not so smooth and feels frosted, difficult to color. After printing, the part's original color is dark gray. Follow me to learn more about 3D printing services.